In a shocking turn of events, Neville Mutsvangwa, son of Zimbabwe's influential politician Christopher Mutsvangwa, found himself in handcuffs. The charges? Illegal foreign currency dealings. This wasn't just another arrest, it was a scandal that shook the nation. Once shielded by his family's power, Neville was now facing the full force of the law. The whispers began, was this the fall of a dynasty? His father, Christopher, a decorated war veteran and prominent figure in the ruling ZANU-PF party, has been a vocal supporter of the government. Neville's mother, Monica Mutsvangwa, holds a powerful position as the Minister of Information, Publicity and Broadcasting Services. Together, the Mutsvangwa family embodies Zimbabwe's political elite, their influence reaching into every corner of the nation. Nevilles' arrest shattered the illusion of invincibility surrounding the family. It exposed the underbelly of power, raising questions about privilege, accountability, and the blurred lines between political influence and illegal activities. The details of Neville's arrest are murky, shrouded in a web of clandestine transactions and alleged illegal activities. Authorities accuse him of operating an elaborate scheme, trading foreign currency without proper licensing and flouting the nation's financial regulations. The amounts involved are staggering, hinting at a deep-rooted network of illicit dealings. This isn't Neville's first brush with controversy. In the past, he has been accused of various offences, including fraud and physical assault. However, due to his family's influence, these accusations rarely resulted in substantial consequences. This time it appears the stakes are higher and the evidence more compelling. Neville's arrest has sent shockwaves through Zimbabwe's political landscape. It has exposed the vulnerabilities of even the most powerful families, demonstrating that no one is above the law. The Mutsvangwa family's reputation hangs in the balance. Christopher and Monica Mutsvangwa have built their careers on a platform of patriotism and loyalty to the ruling party. Neville's arrest casts a dark shadow on their legacy, raising questions about their involvement in his alleged illegal activities. The public's trust in the Mutsvangwas is waning. Many view Neville's actions as a reflection of his family's values, questioning their commitment to upholding the law and serving the nation's interests. The scandal has fueled public discourse on nepotism and the abuse of power by political elites. The Mutsvangwas maintain their innocence, claiming that Neville's actions are independent of their own. However, the damage has been done. The family's once unassailable reputation is now tarnished, their influence weakened by the stain of alleged corruption.